Hello everyone. A fantastic summer day lies ahead for most of South Africa, including the northeastern parts where it's going to be sunnier and therefore a whole lot warmer across the area today. Afternoon thundershowers develop over parts of the central and western interior thanks to very high temperatures across the region. And by tonight, a weak front brushes along the south coast, and that could bring some light rain to some areas. And this is detailed on our rainfall forecast for today. We see light rain from around Cape Agulhas through to the Garden Route, perhaps even reaching Port Elizabeth later on. That's mostly into tonight, while over the interior, isolated thundershowers potentially developing around Bloemfontein, Kimberley, Uppington, De Aar, and across the Eastern Cape, a likelihood for a few thunderstorms as well. As mentioned, it is going to be a very hot day for the western parts of the country, and for this reason there's also a warning in place due to those very high temperatures for runaway fire conditions that could develop over parts of the Cape provinces as well as the Western Free State. Here's your detailed city forecast for today, and up in the northeast, as promised, it is going to be a much warmer day. Polokwane 29 degrees, Bombela reaches a high of 30 for this afternoon. Temperatures also higher in a sunnier Gauteng. KwaZulu-Natal and the Eastern Cape experiencing some very high temperatures for today. Similar for Bloemfontein, where there could be a few thundershowers mostly towards this evening. Winds are going to be gusty at first for Port Elizabeth, but later on they start dying down, and by tonight there could be some light rain in your area. Over the southern interior of South Africa, it's going to be a warm to hot day. Robertson slightly cooler than yesterday with a high of 28 degrees under partly cloudy conditions. The south coast remains mild once again, almost unchanged in terms of temperatures. A weak onshore flow for this area and low swells at only 1.5 meters. The Northern Cape can expect sweltering conditions once again, 40 degrees for Uppington this afternoon. Dry on the other hand for Sutherland, Calvinia as well as Springbok, and the west coast of the country is also going to be dry and warm, but it is going to become very windy for both Cape Town and Langebaan, southerly winds at 40 kilometers per hour. A look ahead to your Sunday when thundershowers persist over a very similar area and spread towards KwaZulu-Natal, and we expect some more rain along the south coast where it's going to be quite a bit cooler. A look further ahead for Johannesburg, and as we head into Monday, it remains mostly dry under partly cloudy skies as well as hot at 30 degrees, but by Tuesday and Wednesday, somewhat cooler conditions and a better chance for a few thunderstorms. That's all from the Weather Centre. Have a wonderful weekend.